Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering criminal jurisprudence. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Criminal Law and Jurisprudence, 10 Review Questions, Set 3A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Age of absolute irresponsibility in the commission of a crime: A. 15 to 18 years old. B. 18 to 70 years old. C. 9 years old and below. D. Between 9 and 15 years old. Those who, not being principals, cooperate in the execution of the offense by previous or simultaneous acts. A. Accomplices. B. Suspects. C. Principal actors. D. Accessories. The loss or forfeiture of the right of the government to execute the final sentence after the lapse of a certain time fixed by law. A. Prescription of crime. B. Prescription of prosecution. C. Prescription of judgment. D. Prescription of penalty. A kind of executive clemency whereby the execution of penalty is suspended. A. Pardon. B. Commutation. C. Amnesty. D. Reprieve. Infractions of mere rules of convenience designed to secure a more orderly regulation of the affairs of the society. A. Mala prohibita. B. Mala in se. C. Private crimes. D. Public crimes. Felony committed by a public officer who agrees to commit an act in consideration of a gift and this act is connected with the discharge of his public duties. A. Qualified bribery. B. Direct bribery. C. Estafa. D. Indirect bribery. The willful and corrupt assertion of falsehood under oath of affirmation, administered by authority of law on a material matter. A. Libel. B. Falsification. C. Perjury. D. Slander. Deliberate planning of act before execution. A. Treachery. B. Evident premeditation. C. Ignominy. D. Cruelty. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of a crime. A. Gang. B. Conspiracy. C. Band. D. Piracy. The failure to perform a positive duty which one is bound to. A. Negligence. B. Imprudence. C. Omission. D. Act. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.